I have to officially go into quarantine. But I need to, you know, get over myself. I just filmed a video. Good morning everybody and welcome to the second week of Vlogmas 2020. Robert and I are going on a walk today. Hike, a long walk with two of our friends today, and we should really be off. So today's tea from the advent calendar is going in my thermos. Number 5, Unwind Me for the Season. Organic lemongrass herbal tea with cinnamon, ginger, garcinia, there it is again, hibiscus and lemon. Sounds good for a nice long winter's walk, so let's go. Good morning. It is Sunday. I am wearing my activewear today. I was gonna go to the gym, but I couldn't get in a time slot. They were all taken, so I'm afraid I'm gonna have to squeeze in a home workout somewhere and book in advance this time. I feel like when the lockdowns and everything started, many people turned to something to do, something to occupy themselves with, and for me it was definitely sewing. I have been sewing so much since, you know, early this year, and Robert has turned to board games. He loves board games, but he doesn't get to play them much because I really don't like them. He has made it his personal mission to make me enjoy board games, and I am reluctant, but I have to admit that I am kind of warming up to them. We have played so many board games this year, but it was a nice way to meet up with friends and still have some kind of a social life, you know, and something to do that doesn't involve going out and stuff. That did result in us acquiring a lot more board games this year than we've ever had, and since it is now Advent, there are sales, and Robert has got himself another board game. So, Tapestry. I said I was slowly warming up to board games, but there is one type that I dislike most of all. The ones that take hours to play that I just can't. I just cannot. And this is one of them. Although I must say there are loads that I do now enjoy. But it did take us a long time to play that. So we went to bed pretty late last night and didn't have any energy left to clean up all of this mess. The biggest task of today is to clean the house. Hey guys, it is Monday. I haven't had time to check in with you yet. It's a crazy busy day. I have a deadline today. I just filmed a video right here. Whoops. Wobbly camera. There we go. Which I now need to edit and send off. It's a very short-term one. But other than that, it's a pretty boring standard Monday. I'm just doing some work behind my computer. Ballet class again tonight. Robert has invited over some friends tonight to come play tapestry while I'm in ballet class. Yeah, not much else going on, I'm afraid, today. Oh, I did try the new tea of today. I haven't shown you. I don't think I even showed you yesterday's. That needs to be set straight. Let me put you down here. Yesterday's tea was peppermint melon, it says on the top, but then on the side it says cinnamon, peppermint and licorice. No melon. It was really nice though, very minty and fresh. And then today's tea is Moroccan spice herbal tea with cinnamon, chicory, licorice, peppermint, ginger and orange. And this one was really nice as well. Pleasant, spicy herbal tea. I didn't much care for Saturday's tea, I have to admit that. If you recall, I put it in the thermos and I left it in all day. And when you do that with ginger tea, it's basically just hot spicy water. I'm not a big fan of ginger tea in general. It's a very strong flavor that I'm not very fond of. So that one was not for me. It might have been better if I hadn't had left in the tea bag for so long, but I did. So yeah, but all of the others so far I've loved. Maybe the garlic one, that one was a bit strange. It did leave a very garlicky aftertaste in your mouth. So I wasn't sure about that one, but yeah, they're pretty good. Okay, I need to import my video, edit it, and get some food because I'm really hungry. Today we are having vegetable risotto for dinner. It's an early dinner again, but looks and smells delicious.
It's Christmas Eve. Still got nothing for you. I'm out on a last minute spree, hoping to find that something that makes you.
Good morning everyone, it is Tuesday and I found out last night that I have to officially go into quarantine. I don't think I've mentioned this in the vlog before, but I'm a scout leader and one of the kids got tested positive for coronavirus, so that's a couple more days for me. I've had to cancel my dentist appointment and we were gonna meet up with some friends tonight to do some wedding planning, so I'm really sad about having to cancel that meeting, but you know, safety first. Let's open today's advent calendar. We are on day 8 already. Oh, time's flying. Ooh, oh, that sounds great. Oolong lemon raspberry. Lemon, raspberry and calendula. I bet this one's gonna be amazing.
Love you.
I've been out running all day. Nothing catches my eye. What do you get for someone who has it all? I've been to every corner.
Tonight's dinner is anything I could find in the fridge and cupboard. So we're having curry, I guess. Spicy vegetable stuff with rice. Yay, it smells really good though. Good morning everybody! It's been a while since I last did a brush out, but I'm very pleased with how it came out today. I really think that now that my ends are a bit thicker, the whole thing is just much easier to do. It's very hard to do on thin ends. It doesn't really work well. I always had to do a faux bob with them, but now I can just have my ends out and they look fine. So yay! Time for my tea calendar here. Day 9. And today we have Christmas cake. Ooh, that sounds great. Organic black tea with orange, apple, peach, cinnamon, ginger and vanilla. Plan for today is really simple. Once again, I have to film a video today and that's pretty much it. Oh, did turn out I don't actually have to go into quarantine, apparently, according to the health service, what you call those. I don't know how to translate that. I just have to be extra watchful for symptoms and stuff, but I still don't have anything, and I believe tomorrow is the last potential incubation time day. Fingers crossed, but I'm still feeling great, so I'm not too worried so far. All right, let's make this tea and then start preparing my video. I'm doing a fashion video today, so it's gonna be lots of clothing everywhere. Let's get started.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all
The groceries arrived. I filmed my video and now it's time to play Dungeons and Dragons. We're playing digitally today. We're playing digitally today. We're playing digitally today because I can't see people. So yeah, time to log in.
laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Today was not a very good day, guys. I had my periodic freak out about the housing crisis in the Netherlands. Thumbs up if you have one as well. I don't know if anyone remembers, but at the start of the year, one of my New Year's resolutions for 2020 was to find out if we could get a mortgage and potentially buy a house. We haven't looked into it as much as I'd hoped because of, you know, the pandemic and everything, but it's looking very bleak. It's super long, complicated, and kind of private. All the stuff that's, you know, related to that and our potential house buying potential. What we wanted isn't really within reach at the moment, and that's just the hard truth that I have to accept, and I struggle with accepting that. Today I had a little meltdown over that because I feel like we have outgrown this apartment, and this year being locked up in here has made it extra noticeable, I guess, or apparent that 40 square meters is just not enough for 2 people to live and work from home, especially when one of them randomly decides to start sewing as part of their job. So that's my own fault completely, but I'm very grateful to have what we have. We have a roof over our heads. It is a beautiful home, but it would be really nice, you know, considering we're going on 30, to have something a little bit bigger. And I was really hoping that we could buy a family home soon, but that is just doesn't seem to be in the cards. And I kind of struggle with coming to terms with that, but I need to, you know, get over myself. It's the evening now. I did manage to edit my video today, which was my main task, and I did that, so that's great. Robert has a video meeting later tonight, and I want to spend some time getting Christmas presents, because it is about time I started getting my Christmas presents if I want them to arrive on time. Okay, I feel much better. You have made it to the end of week 2 of Vlogmas 2020. Next week, I get to leave the house again. I hope you'll join me again next week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for 2 more Vlogmas episodes. Oh, Christmas is so close, guys. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.